Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Sunday, October 8th. Time is around 10:20 GMT, and we will have a look at the Nikkei futures on the Oanda platform. So it's Sunday, markets are closed, but we will have a look at the higher time frame, and we will also prepare the lower time frame for Monday, October 9th. So here we are looking at the weekly time frame, and my take on the Nikkei is that we did a first impulse here up from the March 2020 lows in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with divergence. We have a wave 1 of the higher degree right here, and then we went down in a corrective move, a WXY structure to complete a wave 2. We did not reach the 0.5 FIB retracements. So normally a wave 2 would go here into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. That did not happen, but that's okay. I would say sometimes this happens if an instrument is very bullish. We do not reach the 0.5 FIB retracement, and after all, we came quite close, I would say. And then from here, I believe we started a new impulse up here as a wave 3, wave 3 of the higher degree. So the target for the wave 3 we can find by taking the length of the wave 1, taking the length of the wave 2, and then we are supposed to go here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension as a wave 3. Now, we will not go there in a straight line. We should go there in 5 waves, and so I believe for now here we had a wave 1, here or wave 2. We had our wave 3 here. I mean, we are working on the higher degree wave 3, and then a 4 and a 5 should follow into this area right here. So this looks quite bullish. However, there is also a bearish scenario possible in the weekly, and the bearish scenario, in my opinion, would look like this wave 2 correction here is not finished yet. So this wave 2 here in the higher degree, but we are still working on this correction. This would be my bearish scenario, and then we would actually have an expanded flat structure here. So then we came down here in 3 as a wave A, 1, 2, 3. Then this here is a corrective B structure, wave B structure, overshooting wave B. It looks like the overshoot is quite huge, but actually I would say it is still within the range of an acceptable wave B. Like what I typically maintain for an overshooting wave B is here the 1.236 FIB extension level, and so we are still below this level. So in my opinion, this can be an overshooting wave B, and then after this wave B here, a wave C in 5 waves should follow. 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back into this area, and then this here would be our wave 2. So that would be my bearish scenario. It is on the chart, but for now I do not really take it into account because current price action is right here. The low was in right here, so for the moment it makes more sense to spend our energy here on a potential move up. But it's something we have to be aware of, something that can play out. So here in the weekly, what we see is that the uptrend here is still holding. We are still in an upward cycle from these lows here. From this low here, the March 2022 low. This is still an upward cycle holding, and here we also have a downward cycle. But so this could be a wave 4 within the wave 3. We will have a look at this in a minute, actually right now. If we go to the daily here, so what do we see? I told you, I think we are working here on this wave 3. And if we are working on this wave 3, it looks like, so starting from here, this was the wave 2 end, the start of this wave 3. And then it looks like here we have a 1, 2, followed by an impulse up as a wave 3. And so now we are in the wave 4 area. So if we take the length here of our wave 3, then here this area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement is the wave 4 area. And so now, we should react from this area here. From here, a fifth wave up should start. If not, then then we have to shift to the, or then we have to change the secondary scenario into the primary one. And then the secondary scenario means that we have an A, B, C correction here as a wave B, and so the fourth and the fifth wave are not coming. Instead, we are moving down then as a C wave. But okay, for now, we do not really focus on this scenario. Like I said, it's better to assume now here a 3, 4, and a 5. So if we look here at the daily, this is a double corrective structure, I would say, to downward RSI trend lines. And so now the key thing to do for the Nikkei is to break here in the daily this downward trend line. And so last week we had a quite good forecast. Let's go to the 4 hour. So I told you that there was that the probability was quite high that we could have made our low here, and this low here was indeed followed by a nice push up. We are not out of the woods yet, but the first reaction is promising, I would say. So to give you a bit more background, I believe this wave 4 here is unfolding as a WXY pattern. Here we had the wave W, here we had the wave X. So we were able to calculate the target area for our wave Y. If we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then we were supposed to go into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Here, this area, this wave Y area, this happened. And then I also did some further analysis here on this move down. And then I told you this wave Y is probably unfolding as a WXY structure. And then we knew that by taking the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, that we were supposed to go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension as a wave Y. This is also what happened. We touched this area here, and we had now a nice move up on starting from Thursday, last Thursday, I think. So Thursday and Friday. And what we see now here in the 4 hour is that, we are breaking this downward RSI trend line. So this here could actually be the beginning of a new upward cycle. So first an upward cycle in the 4 hour, and then in a later stage or in a few days, then the downward cycle in the daily can also be broken, and that would then be the start of the then we would have more certainty about this fifth wave, this upcoming fifth wave. So for now, on the lower time frame, so I gave you this area here, WXY. Then I also calculated here this as an ABC. We did not reach the wave C area, but I told you in the 15 minutes that we had a complete structure here, so that the low could be in, although we did not reach this wave C area, and we indeed started to move up. Now, this is only a first reaction, and so what could still play out here is that instead of the ABC located here in green, that our ABC is situated here as shown in red. So then it would be this as a wave A, this here as a wave B. We know the wave B target. If we take the length of the wave A, then we know that the wave B should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracements. Now we also reached this area. And then from here, we could have another C leg down. This is something we cannot exclude yet. So I would say the real test for the Nikkei will come when we test or when we correct this impulse up. So what should happen is that so from here, if this is finished, it means we need the first impulse up. So that would then be the wave 1 here in green. Then this wave 1 here should be corrected as a wave 2. And then what needs to happen is we need to hold this low here. So impulse up as a wave 1, retest in a wave 2, and then this low here needs to hold. And if it holds, we are ready for a third wave, 4, 5 to finish wave 1 in the higher degree. We are not there yet, but this is the next move we have to look at in the Nikkei. So finishing a wave 1 to the upside, correcting the wave 1, and holding this low here. So this correction here to the downside will be crucial. Like if we break the low, then we are here. Then we can still have the ABC located right here, but then it should really be finished, or we are in the bearish, or in a more bearish scenario, maybe even the very bearish scenario that I showed you in the weekly. But it's too early to make a decision on this. We need more data. But so now the crucial thing is here, will this low hold when we finish this impulse up, and correct this impulse here as a wave 2. Then this low needs to hold. If it does not hold, then the ABC is still possible, but this is really like then we really reached the limits of the correction, I would say. If we then not reverse from here, from this wave C, then we are in a way more bearish scenario, in my opinion. And then finally, we can have a look at the 15-minute. This is some micro counting, but actually this wave 1 might soon be finished. I think if I would have to label this, I would do it as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5, which is ongoing, but not much upside is left anymore, I think, in this wave 5. And then this 5 waves up can also be the ABC structure here as a corrective wave B, but everything, like I told you, everything will depend on the retest of this low here. Okay, that's my higher time frame analysis and my analysis for Monday, October 9th. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you back on Tuesday for an analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.